Hello everyone, there is big update from TCS. TCS Ion Direct Academy channel is inviting candidates for a webinar on digital marketing. This is not just a webinar. By this webinar we can get job in TCS and job role will be digital marketing. You know digital marketing is in trend. So there will be a good salary package, and in this video I'll tell you how to register, how to get job from this webinar, what's the salary package, who is eligible, is NQT score is sufficient for this and all. So please make sure watch this video till end. So first I want to show you the mail. Many candidates are getting this mail. The title of the mail is TCS Ion Direct Academy channel invites you a special webinar on digital marketing for students. So candidates who got this mail, they can register, they already have registration link here, they can register from here. But the candidates who didn't get this mail, don't need to worry. I'll tell you how to register for this mail, for this webinar. So first, when you will click on the registration link, which you will find in description, then you will redirect to this page. Now here you have to click on register. Click on register. Then here you have to type your first name, email address, confirm email address, your college name, last name, country code, and then you have to click on, then you have to put your mobile number. Then after you have to submit. Once you will submit this, then you will see the registration confirmed. So make sure you got this page, registration confirmed, and after this you will also get a confirmation mail on your Gmail account. So make sure you got that mail on your Gmail account. Now I want to tell you who is eligible and is NQT score is sufficient. So first I want to tell you, candidates, every candidates who gave NQT exam are eligible for this job. Now for this you have to give a special exam of subject NQT digital marketing. The price of this exam is 399. So you have to purchase this exam and you have to give this exam. The exam mode will be online or offline. You can choose anyone. Now in addition to this, you must have NQT score. Here this is NQT score. Here they already mentioned NQT cognitive skills is mandatory test to register for attitudinal assessment, psychological test. Yeah. So when you click on this, you can, if you have NQT score, then that's good. If you don't have NQT score, then you have to give NQT exam. And but for this you have to give digital marketing, and I think you already have NQT scores. So now you just have to give digital marketing subject NQT. Okay, so this is the end. If we talk about salary package, then salary package will be around 4 LPA. So this is a really decent salary package for freshers. So this is a salary package, and if eligibility criteria, then 2029, 2020, 2021 and 2022 pass out batch are eligible. And yeah, and I think I discussed all. Yeah, so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me your doubts in your comment section. And if you think this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more such job updates. Thank you for watching this video.